All right, good afternoon. Welcome to Culinary Anarchy on this fine Tuesday afternoon. Today, we have a little treat for you guys, or well, it's more or less a treat for me. Today, we have talked about edibles and all this other fun stuff for a while, giving you plenty of recipes. You can go on the website and look. I'll definitely be posting links at some point today. Today, on the other hand, you actually get to see me eat. I'm only going to eat one of these things, but it's a 200 milligram edible, Fruity Pebble Treat. Apparently, it's gluten free and vegan because, of course, I live in fucking Seattle. I don't know exactly what 200 milligrams means. I know how much I do, whatever, when it comes to making this stuff. Now, I will say this: I'm in a place where it's legal. I'm in my apartment. I got munchies. I went out and got everything I need. I've got no reason to leave the apartment because I know that this thing is gonna fuck me up. That's like pretty fucking tasty for being vegan. Hi, Mike. Hi, Brown Beard. Oh, but wash it down with some coffee. The reason that we're doing this is not just to give you guys something to laugh at, but it's also to kind of show people that have never done edibles before. This is what 200 milligrams will do to somebody that has made edibles for years, done edibles for years, and it's not like smoking a bowl, doing a couple of long hits, even a couple of fucking dab ribs. You can more or less shake off pretty easily when you ingest cannabis via edibles. Completely different process. It's being metabolized through the liver, blah 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 blah, science shit. Anyways, it fucks you up on a completely different level. I did do one of these Christmas, and 2 hours later, I was too fucked up to be able to make pancakes, if that tells you anything. So I've cooked in a lot of fucked up situations. These things are pretty tasty. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. All right, good afternoon. Welcome back. This is hour number two of the edibles thing. If you guys are just now tuning in or didn't see the part one, we ate, where the fuck is it? Little 200 milligram Fruity Pebble edible. Actually, pretty damn delicious. So far, hour into it, things are definitely slowing down. Kind of want to take a nap, but at the same time, kind of trying to make sure that I take care of you guys. Anyways, for those of you that want to know how to make these things, handy dandy little link up there, the updated guide to cooking with edibles. Remember, it's a whole lot different than just smoking. If you are eating edibles, I do not recommend your ass driving or doing anything. I'm a pretty experienced user when it comes to this, and I can smoke weed and skateboard all day and be fine, but I am not getting anywhere. I wouldn't even try to fucking steer a shopping cart right now, to be perfectly honest with you. Which is another good reason that, if you're going to do edibles on being serious, be smart about it. Do it at home. Don't go out and do something stupid and walk into traffic or some shit like that. God knows I need all the readers I can get. Good afternoon, and welcome to part three of the edibles. I'm going to try to get through this without making a complete ass out of myself. So this should be interesting because, yeah, by now they have definitely kicked the fuck in. And I kind of debated, like, my readers, my followers, whatever the fuck you are, will understand if I don't do a live video to cover the third part of it. But then what the fuck was the point of the other two videos? What the fuck is the point of the entire series? I don't know. Oh, fuck. Yep, see, there you go. I forgot to. I'm trying to do a backup of this shit with my GoPro, and I forgot to get that started because, well, I'm fucking stoned right now. Uh, Again, this is kind of one of the things why I'm glad that I took care of all of my responsibilities for the day. I got my shit together. I did my phone calls and my adult stuff prior to doing this because right now I am fucking useless. So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I am fucking toasted. I wanted to take a nap. I put a little auto message, so ignore that. Bagels are still very awesome. I was going to take a nap, but unfortunately, dealing with trolls that I have to fucking ban from the page because they got nothing better to do, and I got better shit to do than to justify myself. Whatever. Anyways, overall, good day. 3 hours in, I am very, very well relaxed. Definitely would not want to be doing anything responsible or adult-like at all. Definitely not trying to do math. Can't even figure out how to get Netflix working on my computer. I'm having to use the girlfriend's computer, and nothing is entertaining on that, so Netflix sucks. My documentary is going to be way better. Anyways, yeah, hope you guys are having a wonderful fucking new year. We will be coming to you with a bunch of new shit, new articles coming out every week. I'm actually trying to take this site somewhat more seriously, if that's possible to do, whatever. Anyways, I'm high as shit. You guys have a wonderful day. Yeah, I am very fucking relaxed, man. Again, this is why I would not want to be driving. I wouldn't drive a car. I wouldn't ride a skateboard. I wouldn't be trying to fucking push a grocery cart right now. So no fire for me. No, sir. No, I'm going to stay right here on the couch where I belong. You guys have a great day. Cook like you fuck.